Yeah, hello all. Today we are going to learn about sorting one array. So here is a given array. This is a given array. So we need to sort this array into the ascending order first. Okay, we'll see about the sorting this array into the ascending order. So for this, what we need to do, we need to compare each value, each and every value with the value present descending. So this 25 will be compared with this 11, and if it is greater than, we'll swap the values. Okay. So that is the condition we are going to use. So one if condition we are going to use, and to traverse in from the entire array, like to repetitively we need to compare. So that we for that we will go for one for loop, and for comparison purpose we will go for another for loop, and we will write the condition here. Okay, we'll develop the condition here. Okay, we'll write one for loop. Okay, so this is why you are writing this for loop. So just to execute our logic repetitively, we are going with the for loop. Okay, we'll use basically two for loops. Okay, okay, so this is the initialization of your for loop, and this is the condition you are checking. So if I is less than of the array length, then you are going with this condition. If the condition is true, then you will go with this particular code. Whatever you're writing in the for loop will be executed. Then afterwards, this implementation will be done. Okay, we'll go with another for loop we need to take. Top. So value will be starting from another variable you declared j, and j equal to I plus 1. Okay, why you are writing I plus 1 here? This value will be compared with this one. Okay, so how many times you are comparing? Based on that, you are writing the logic here. We dot length. Okay, again, if the condition is true, then increment the value. So we are using two for loops here. One is internal and another is external. This is the external for loop and this is internal for loop. Okay, now what is the condition you need to check? If a of I, the value. So a of I means the first value a of I means a of 0. That will be this one will the value. Okay. So is greater than or of a of j. Then if the condition is true, what I am trying to do here, so I'm just swapping the values. To swap the values, I'm just taking one temporary variable here, let temp equal to 0. Okay, inside the for loop also you can write this and declare inside the for loop. Here you can declare. Now you just take these values and swap down. Okay, change the values. So temp of 5, and now a of I inside the a of I. So whatever the value present inside the a of I, you are storing it into the temp, and whatever the value present inside the a of I, you are removing it and you are placing a of j. Okay, this condition is true, then you are just swapping the values. Okay, a of I value you are placing into a of j value, you are placing into the temp. Now values are swapped here. Okay, here values are swapping is done. Now just come out of this for loop, try to print out, out space. So now what you need to do here, I you can print. Okay, what exactly you're doing here means, okay, so 25 is greater than of 11 or not. We are checking the condition. So this condition, if of this condition, a of 0 is greater than of a of I plus 1, 0 plus 1 becomes 1. So a of j means it will become a of 1. So what is the a of 0 here? 25. What is the a of 1 here? 11. Okay. So if you compare, this 25 is greater than or 11. So the condition is true, and just taking one temporary variable here and just swapping the values here. Okay, what I'm just trying to do, swapping the values. If then this condition is true, a of I value I'm keeping into one temporary variable, and a of I value is changing, replacing with the a of j. So if it is less than this one, then replace this 11 into a of I. So what it will become, these both values will be interchanging their places here. Okay. So if it is greater than a of I, then I'm replacing the value here. Okay. So now the value present, it will become 11. Okay. Inside the a of j, again the value is increased 25. So again, we will check for the condition. So whenever the condition is true, we are just swapping the values. Like that, entire array will be sorted into the ascending order. And here we are trying to print the values present in the sorted array. Okay. So we'll just put one. Uh, so we'll just keep one print statement here. Just you can write array of elements. After the, like this, you can keep. So here sorting is done. So how it is checking, based upon this condition, the sorting is going on. So entire value will be printed in the ascending order. So how you are getting the ascending order means you are just checking the condition. If the first value is greater than of the second value, then you are just replacing the values here. Like you are swapping the values here. Okay, so if you check these two values, the first value is greater than of the second value. So the condition is true. I'm just interchanging these values here. So a of 0 will become 11 now, and a of 1 will become 25. So like this, I'm sorting. And again, this next values will be compared. Like that, the entire array will be sorted and printed in the ascending order. Okay, I'll just try to run this program. Okay, we'll remove this here. Just run this program. Just save this and run this code as run as Java application. You will see the entire array in the sorted, like you can see 7, 11, 25, 45, 56, 75, and 78. So this is array, entire array is sorted into the reverse order, like. So if you want to sort this entire array in the reverse order, you can just change this condition here, like. Okay. And just change this condition. Instead of less than, you can put, instead of greater than, you can put just less than here. Okay. Just run this code. You will see entire array will be sorted in the descending order. Okay. The same result you got in the descending order. Okay. How you are doing? So if it is lesser than, then you are changing the values. Now the initially what you checked, if it is greater than, then only you change the value. Okay. So this is as simple as that. By using the for loop, we are doing here, like. Okay, there is another method is also there. So there is direct inbuilt sort function is there, arrays dot sort function, and just pass the array, then you will get the output. So in the interview, generally no one will ask you write down the code from the by using the Java library. So they will ask you to check the coding standards. So they will ask you to write by using the for loop only. Like the loops you can use by using your logic, your own logic, you have to implement the code like that they will ask in the interview. So this is how you are going to get ascending and descending orders in the sorting of the given array. Okay, so nowadays another question also they are asking. So let's find out the second largest number in the given array. Okay, so you already sorted your array. You can see the output on the console here. So okay, this is the first largest number. Like in the during the entire array, this will be the first largest number. Okay, if you are trying to print this second largest means a of 1, you need to print. Okay, if you are sorted this array in the descending order, you need to print a of 1. Okay, so what you can print? Just print here a of 1. Okay, so that just save it. You will see the second largest number in the given entire array. Here on this code. Okay, you can see second largest number here. Okay, you have seen the second largest number, right? Or else you can print this control X. You can print after this. After the for loop, you can print that. After the sorting, you can print the value so that you don't see number of repeated outputs. Okay, done, right? Okay, you got the second largest number in the given your array. So this will be your interview question also. Like, okay, sorting and ascending, so ascending order sorting and descending order sorting, and second largest number also you got. If you want first largest number, you already sorted the array in the descending order. So first largest number will be a of 0. Here on this code, so you will find the largest number. Okay, so if you are sorted in the ascending order, if I wanted to find out second largest number, then length minus 1 is your, will get the first largest number. If you go with 2, we'll get your second largest number. Okay, I wanted my second largest number, so I'm going with -2. So if I give here length minus 1, I will get first largest number from the array. Okay, so this is my first largest. If I want second largest, I'll go with this. Run as Java application. Okay, you got your second largest and first largest and ascending order and descending order. Like, yeah, so just we just remove this Rolex. We try to print the entire array. Okay, so it will print ascending order or descending order based upon the condition you have written. It will print your ascending order array. Okay, from this code. Yeah, ascending order array. Okay, yeah. Thank you all. That's all for today. Yeah, please like and do share and subscribe for the Chris solutions. So for more video updates, for more video interview questions. Thank you all.